This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study engineering mathematics in one day. First, identify the most crucial topics. You'll want to focus on the foundational concepts that appear frequently. Don't try to cover everything. Instead, aim for a solid grasp of the essentials. This approach helps you build a strong base quickly, making the most of your limited time. Remember, quality versus quantity is key for effective one-day learning. To maximize your learning, engage with the material actively. Instead of passively reading, try to explain concepts aloud or write down summaries. This active recall strengthens your memory and understanding. If a topic feels particularly challenging, a quick 5-minute video explanation can often clarify things instantly. Break down larger problems into smaller, manageable steps to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Practice is essential, even in a single day. Select 1 or 2 representative problems for each core concept and work through them. Don't just look at solutions, try to solve them yourself first. If you get stuck, review the solution to understand the method, then try a similar problem. This targeted practice reinforces your understanding and builds confidence for tackling different problem types. As your study day concludes, take time to consolidate your knowledge. Create a quick reference sheet with the most important formulas and concepts. A brief, high-level review of everything you've covered will help solidify the information in your mind. Finally, ensure you get good rest. Sleep plays a crucial role in memory consolidation, making your one-day effort more effective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.